Everyone wants to go viral in 2025. But the truth is, it's not just about algorithms, hashtags, or the latest trend. It's about something deeper. Your ability to use simple tools like your phone, your laptop, and yes, AI tools like ChatGPT to share something that connects with people on a human level. Today, I'll show you how you can go viral, not just by chasing numbers, but by creating meaningful impact. And along the way, I'll share life lessons that can change the way you approach success itself. Think about this. Every viral video you've ever seen, whether it's a 10-second clip or a full story, had one thing in common. It touched people. It made them laugh, cry, think, or simply stop scrolling for a moment. Going viral in 2025 isn't just about views. It's about creating moments of connection. And the beauty is, with the phone in your hand or the laptop on your desk, you already have the tools. Add AI, and suddenly you have a personal guide, strategist, and coach rolled into one. One of the most powerful ways to go viral today is storytelling. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you craft ideas, polish your captions, and even structure your scripts. But here's the wisdom. AI can give you the words, but only you can give them heart. Just like in life, tools can help you, but they can't live your story for you. So when you create content, don't just aim to impress, aim to express. Share your struggles, your small wins, your reflections. People don't remember perfection, they remember authenticity. Viral doesn't always happen overnight. Sometimes it's the quiet, consistent effort that suddenly explodes. Think of your journey like planting seeds. You water them daily, even when nothing seems to be growing. I can remind you of trends, give you posting schedules, even suggest the best hashtags. But the real question is, are you patient enough to trust the process? Just like life itself, growth requires both persistence and reflection. Ask yourself, am I creating just for attention, or am I creating to make a difference? That self-reflection will not only guide your content, but also shape who you are becoming. In the rush to go viral, it's easy to forget why you started. I can help you amplify your voice, but it should never drown out your values. Take time to pause, breathe, and ground yourself. Sometimes the most viral thing you can do is to share a simple truth, a reminder of what really matters. People crave authenticity in a noisy world. And when you speak from a place of mindfulness, your content doesn't just spread, it resonates. So how do you go viral in 2025 with just your phone, your laptop, and AI tools like ChatGPT? By remembering that technology is your partner, not your replacement. Use AI to spark ideas, but use your heart to fuel them. Be consistent, be reflective, and be mindful. At the end of the day, going viral is not about chasing numbers. It's about creating moments that matter, both for you and for others. If this message spoke to you, take a moment to reflect. What's one story you've been holding back that the world needs to hear? Share it today. Because maybe, just maybe, your story is the one that will inspire millions tomorrow. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more insights, and share this with someone who needs a little encouragement. Together, let's not just go viral, let's grow wiser.